Good evening, sir.
Am I audible?
Good evening,
Is
sir. You are audible, sir.
Yes, you are.
everyone audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, anyone tell me what we discussed in our last session? Like, let me cover summary, what we discussed.
Data types.
Data types. At a very top level, we have four types of data types are there, like integers, real values, characters, and boolean. And if you see in detail, we have 8 primitive data types are there. Byte, short, int, long. These 4 belongs to integer. Float and double belongs to real values. Char and boolean. Totally 8 primitive data types are there. And Java provides support for these 8 wrapper objects also. That part also we have seen very clearly in our yesterday's session. Okay. So next and after that, we have seen various conclusions also related to these Java data types. So today we will talk about some programming related terminology. Maybe today we are going to start our first Java program. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable means I will start. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right. Sir, first of all, we will see what are all the softwares, required to run a simple or a complex Java application. We will see what the softwares are needed because this is very, very important. Sir, I am learning Java. It is very easy to understand the explanation. Everything is very good. But whenever I am sitting in front of my system, I am unable to solve. Some students are going to tell these kind of reasons. The only thing for that is, sir, you have not installed Java in your system. At the same time, a proper software is required to execute Java application is not there in your mission. So you can see I'm going to take these sessions very conveniently with some beautiful editor and I'm typing everything. And whenever we are seeing a Java program, it is a very colorful manner is there. How these things are happening? Because of some softwares which are already existed. Sir, coming to this session, we are practicing Java, right? Sir, what softwares are needed if I want to learn complete Java? As of now, I'm talking about CoreJava. See, the first software which is required is editor. Editor means the place where we can type the program. Okay, it is a place where we can type the program. We have so many editors are there. So every operating system by default one editor will be there named with notepad. If you want more advanced we can go for notepad plus plus. Sometimes we will use edit plus. Sometimes we are going to use sublime text. Sometimes we need to use VS Code. Like that there are so many editors are there. What is the purpose of editor? To type your Java program we have to take this. Second, we need a command prompt. Why? Because at very fundamental level we need to type the commands by our own and then we have to execute. Sir, we need a command prompt for this. Do we require to install this explicitly? No. Why? Because by default, it is existed in every operating system. Sir, if you take any operating system, by default, this command prompt will be there. Do you know in some operating systems We will call it as power shell, something like that. Okay, or terminal, something like that. Sir, what is the third software? Java latest version. You have to download this Java latest version in your system and you have to download. Anyway, what is the latest version? That part and all I will demonstrate, don't worry. Next, sir, up to fundamentals, up to OOPS concepts, these things are okay. These three softwares are more than sufficient. But when we are developing large scale applications, sometimes we need to depend on IDEs also. IDE means what? Sir, integrated. Okay, integrated development environment. What is the purpose of this is nothing but it will provide one flexibility, sir. We have so many IDs are there. Okay, one is Eclipse IDE. Okay, we have IntelliJ IDEA is there. Next, we have NetBeans. NetBeans is there. Like so many IDs we have. So whatever I typed here, every software, how to use that software, how to execute Java programs in that software, with my own hands I will type and I will show you. Don't worry at all. These are nothing but the basic softwares which are required to run your Java application. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Sir, what are the steps? What are the steps to create a Java application? Sir, I want to create one simple Java program. What are all the steps that we have? Sir, the first step what we have here is we have to select any editor and type the Java program. Sir, I'm going to take one editor called Notepad. Notepad. I opened this. Sir, beautiful, beautiful. I have Notepad is there with me. Okay, I have Notepad is there with me. Then what we have to do inside this Notepad? Step 2. Sir, we have to write a simple Java program based on rules and regulations of Java. Sir, you can't take directly. For example, sir, something like 2 plus 3. Will it works? No. Because Java is having some set of rules and regulations. Based on that rules and regulations only, we have to execute your Java program. Sir, what rules and regulations are there? That's why you are here to learn Java. Okay. Sir, as of now, I'm going to type Java program. As of now, I'm going to type the Java program. Sir, what is the syntax of Java? Do you know the people who are coming from old programming languages? Every program execution always starts from main method. Inside this main method, we will use printf, like welcome to C programming, because in C language we will use printf. Sir, what about C++? In C++, instead of printf, we have to use cout, like welcome to C++ programming. Sir, what about Python? In Python also, we will use print. Welcome to Python programming. Sir, what about Java? In Java, there is one beautiful message that you have to take saying system.out.println, welcome to Java programming. Sir, what is the meaning of this line? Anyway, I will explain. Don't worry, it is too early to discuss. But as of now, in different programming languages, we have different functionalities are there to print a message, right? Like that, in Java also, there is one popular statement is there. What is that statement? System.out.println, which is used to print any message on the screen. So these three are not required. Why? Because we are learning Java. So if you want to print some message in Java, we have to take main method. Inside that, system.out.println like this. Are you clear, friends, up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Feel
sir.
free to ask if you have any questions.
Sure.
Next, sir, few more things I need to add here. What is that is, sir, in Java, inside this is called as a function. Inside this, there is one syntax called you have to send one value. That value is called as ARGS, arguments. How many arguments you have to take? If you take like this, it can receive any type, any number of values, unlimited. Sir, what type of value? String. What type of values it will take? String. Why, sir? Can't we take integer? You can take, but I told one point. In Java, string is nothing but a very important data type what we have, because if you have provided any data in string format, easily we can convert it to other types. Other types to string and string to other types conversion is always flexible in Java. That's why these values, whatever we are sending, is what type? String type. So really we are sending the data. Sometimes we may not. But when you are sending, you have to receive, right? For that, this is the extra line that we have to take. Sir, clear up to this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now, sir, everything is okay, but sir, you have to write this entire thing inside some class, because I told Java is a very strict programming language. So many rules and regulations will be there. If you want to access anything, it must related with object-oriented programming. So how that entire object-oriented programming will deal with the class only. Okay, the entire object-oriented programming will deal only with the class only. What is this class? In depth, you will came to know. In depth, you will came to know. Sir, there should be a name for the class. Any name you can take. Let us assume, as of now, I am giving name as orange. Any name you can give. But my convenient purpose, I have taken some unique name called orange. Now, sir, we have the data is there. I kept the data inside a box. If you want to enter into that box, you need permission. That permission is called as what? Object. Sir, are you writing any business related code? No. Simply to print this message, we need a permission means meaningless, right? That's why if you declare any method with name static, if you declare any method, if you prefix with static, object is not required. Object is not required. Sir, direct pass you will get to enter. Object is not required. Directly you can. So how you will get this flexibility? If that method is declared as a static. Sir, as of now, what are the new terms I defined for you people? One is nothing but a class. Second one is nothing but a static. Third one is nothing but string. Are you clear up to this?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Next. Sir, I told one more point if you remembered. Maybe I have not covered. Sir, in Java, we can develop a program in one system and you can execute or you can access that in any system. Of course, provided by with some network. Do you know this principle is called as Vora principle. Means write once, run any number of times or anywhere. Sir, from this system, if I want to execute a program present here, I should get some kind of accessibility. Sir, suddenly in the roadside, someone is going to stop me. When I'm going in a bike, someone is going to stop me. Hey, can you please tell me your number? Sir, I don't know who are you. How I can give my contact? So it is sorry, I can't. Like that, I'm going to tell, right? Sir, why? Because so I am in a public place, someone is going to ask my private information. How I can assume I am there in Java class. Around 19 members, 20 members students are there. I am taking Java class. Suddenly one student asked, Sir, sorry to disturb. I have one small doubt is there, but during class time I can't. Can we chat and can we get some information from you regarding my doubt? Can I get your number? Or can I get your Insta ID? Like if any person is asking, yes, boss, why can't? Happily I will give and send me a message. But whenever I am free, definitely I will respond to that. Sir, have you observed the difference? In one area, I am not giving my contact details. In one area, I am giving the contact details. But the main method, main intention is to run this program, right? So there is no restriction. It is not that much. PM level security is not required. CM level security is also not required. It's a common method. Just to we are testing, that's all. So such type of methods in front of this, you can take public. Sir, if I take private, what will happen? I explained first case, right? Same. Second case, anywhere, private. We have protected, we have default. Totally four security layers are there: public, private, default, and then protected. What these things will do, I will explain in depth with one small project. We will see how the accessibility is going to be happen. This is nothing but a simple, clean, clear Java program, beautiful code, whatever we have. Clear? Everyone, please confirm.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes. No.
I will add some points for you to better understand. I will add some points. What is the first point here is, sir, what is mean by class? Can I say it is an object-oriented principle, OOPS concept? Sir, what about orange? Every class should have a name which indicates name of the class. What is mean by public? Sir, from anywhere, anyone can access. Okay, can access directly. Sir, what about static? Sir, to access this object is not required. What about void? Sir, every Java program, not only Java, any programming language will always return some value, sir. Any method. Sir, I have given you, sir, some 10,000. My friend is waiting near bus stand. Can you please go and meet that friend and give this amount to that person saying Prakash sir has given this amount? Like that, I have assigned a task for you. What you will do? You are going to take the bike, money will be kept on your pocket, and you will search for that person and you will give the amount. And are you going to home? No. At least you will make a call to me stating, Sir, that person is available here, so on so location. I have hand over the money. This is for your information. Something like acknowledgement. Every method in Java or every function, if you are assigning some task, after completion of that, it has to give response to the owner. Like what happened? Is it a successful operation or is it failure? Based on that, further calculations will be there, right? Like that, sir, main method is not such type of method. Only execution, that's all. It won't do any calculations. That's why main does not return any value. Sir, if it is not returned any value, how you will define that void? Sir, what about main? You know, from your childhood onwards, you are learning program execution always starts from main method only. Sir, what about string? What about, first of all, what about ARGS? It is going to store a bunch of inputs. Sir, what about string? Sir, all inputs of type string, because conversion will be easy. Sir, what about SOP? I'm writing shortcut system.out.println. It is output printing statement in Java. Just for your reference, I have written a short form of this total Java program. Do you have any doubts up to this?
No, sir.
Clear, guys?
Sir, one
Clear.
thing. What is the full form of ARGS? Is there any full form or something?
Sir, ARGS means, remember carefully, the name itself is giving very clear clarity. This is mean by arguments. ARGS means arguments. So sometimes they are going to use ARGV. What is the meaning of this? Argument vector. Vector. Okay. Sir, argument means what? Argument means what? Something like it is something like a parameter or inputs to the function. What that function is going to take, that input is always called as what? Argument. Clear?
Argument. Yes, yes. Clear.
Any other questions?
So one question here.
Yes.
Uh, we have seen so many keywords here, public, static, and out of those, which are the mandatory keywords here and which are not? So let's suppose
That's
if I not mention anyone, what will happen in that case?
Yeah, that's what yesterday I told, right? We are going to do post-mortem on Java program today. After completion of this, 10 cases I will explain. In that cases, in one of the case you will get answer. Okay?
Yeah, got it.
So as of now, any other questions on this program?
No.
No.
Right. Sir, just for documentation purpose, let me copy paste this here. Okay, just for documentation purpose. Now, I think in the program, so these lines we should not write, because just for your reference purpose, I have written. Sir, my program is ready. What is the next step? Step 2 is over. What is the step 3? Sir, we have to save the file, because without physical file, how remaining operations will do? You have to save the file in proper location. This is very, very important. So don't save everywhere. You have to create a new folder. Give a separate name. In that try to save. Okay. But make sure while saving, the name of the file must be same name as class name, with .java as extension. So then what is a file name that we have to take for this? What is the class name I have taken? Orange. Orange.java. Like that you have to say. Why? Because class name is orange. Sir, I have taken class name as the apple. Then what you need to do? Apple.java. Sir, if I am not giving this name, if I am giving any other name, what will happen? Don't worry, that part also I will explain. So just one simple Java program we have saved. Now I am pressing Control yes. I am saving the program. Where you have to save? Array, in C drive, there is one folder named with the Prakash classes. Can you please save here? What is the name that you have to take? Orange. Dot Java, and here save type as what? All files. Click on save. Yes, now my good Java program is ready. My Java program is ready. Let me copy paste again. What is the file name? Orange.java, and this is the content. Sir, where it is available? Let me write the location. Sir, in which location it is available? In my computer, that is a C drive. Sir, there is a folder named with Prakash underscore classes. In that folder, we have this orange.java. Program is ready. 3 steps completed. What is the fourth step? You have to check, we have to run the program, that's all. Another 3 steps are there, I will demonstrate. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear.
So what is the fourth step? What is the fourth step? Sir, the fourth step is very simple. What is the fourth step here is you have to open the command prompt and move to the location where we saved our Java programs. Okay. Sir, let me show you how to open a command prompt. Sir, here you can search for CMD. You will get the command prompt. Open that command prompt. You will get this screen. Sir, as of now, where we are in C drive, users K Prakash Babu. But where we have saved our file? In C drive, Prakash classes. First come out from all the folders. CD backslash. What is the purpose of this command? To come out from all folders. Then what you have to do? Sir, Prakash underscore classes. CD space Prakash underscore classes. Now I entered. That's all. So this is nothing but the command what you have to use to move to the particular folder where we save it. If you are clear with first 4 steps, last 2 steps are there so that you can see the output. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is a step 5? What is a step 5? Sir, step 5 is very simple. We have to compile. We have to compile the Java program by using the following syntax or the following command. What command we have to use? In the command prompt, sir, the syntax is nothing but just you need to type javac space file name dot java. Sir, example, what is the command? Javac. What is the file name that you have taken? Orange.java. Let us do this. Javac space orange.java. Just press enter key. Now, sir, it scanned my file and it verified whether do we have any mistake in the program or not. There is no mistake, right? That's why it returned. Suppose if mistake is there, definitely it will indicate what is the mistake. Anyway, today we are doing post-mortem, right? So that you will get more clarity on different cases. This is step 5. What is this step 5? Compilation process. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
clear, sir.
What is a step 6? We have to execute the Java program by using the following the command. Sir, what command we have to use? What is the syntax? Java space. Sir, don't take file name. You have to take a class name. Sir, in this example, Java space, what is the class name? Orange. Do you remember why file name and class name must always be same? I think now you got the clarity. Sir, let us type this command. Java space ORANG. Don't take .java or something like that. Now just press enter. Sir, whatever program you have written, perfectly it is coming. Perfectly it is coming. Now I will do one more small modification, friends. Please listen carefully. What is a modification here I am doing is, sir, welcome to Java programming, followed by I kept 3 dots. Even I saved the file. Now I am trying to run. Sir, what output we are getting? Array, welcome to Java programming. Where is that 3 dots? Whenever you are doing the modification in your program, compulsory compilation must be required every time. Every time. Sir, you modified in the server, but already the copy came to the client. Then if you are doing modification at your system, how client can expect that modification? So every time you have to deliver, every time you have to deploy the project. But anyway, it is a very simple scenario. That's why, sir, whenever you are doing the modification in the program, compulsory 2 things must be done. One is save that file, because whatever modifications you are doing, it is a new content, right? You must save that. Second point, once if you saved, don't directly execute. You have to compile. Now already saved, let me compile. Now execute. Sir, are you seeing that 3 dots is coming or not? Yes. Like that. So we have to do modifications, means compulsory we have to save the file and recompile the file. These terms and all frequently I will use in my classes. Don't worry. Clear, friends, up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
These are the 6 steps what we have. Seems to be these are somewhat difficult to understand, but trust me, friends, there is nothing is there here. Just on flow, you will get everything. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Any questions? Right,
No, sir.
right. Sir, next. There are multiple cases are there to analyze this. Okay, but before that, let me take one more small example program. What is a program is, from now onwards, I don't want to use this bloody notepad. Okay, I don't want to use. I will take this IDE itself. Sir, what is this IDE? This IDE is a Sublime Text. Create a new file. Now type the program. Sir, class, any name you can give. Let us give as a test. So inside this, public static void main and string arguments args. Okay, sir, inside this, system dot out dot print ln of Java, okay, or so Java classes by Prakash Babu, sir. Like this, just one simple message I am printing. But we have to save this, right? So go to file, click on save. Where is the location? In C drive, Prakash classes. What is the file name that you have to take? Test.java. In the bottom, make sure that Java should be there. Press enter. The file is already there. Yes, overwrite. That's all. Now the location is the same, right? CLS to clear the screen. What is the command? Java C. What is the file name? Test.java. Success, there is no error. Sir, Java space class name.
Test
Is that message is coming? Everyone, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now we will start loopholes. One by one loopholes I will explain. What is the first loophole? I can say note or something like cases, case 1 or note 1. What is this is? Sir, Java is case sensitive programming language. Sir, what is the meaning of this? Lowercase letters and uppercase letters are treated as different. Lowercase letters are different, uppercase letters are different. Sir, while saving the program, I have given test.java. Is it okay? Yes. Sir, I am giving test.java. Sir, this one is invalid. Invalid. Don't do this. Sir, test. Some capital, some small. No, don't go for this. Because these are the rules which I am framing now. We should not use. Sir, can I take all capital letters? No. No. Compulsory. Starting character alone you have to take as a capital letter. Our next topic is keywords and identifiers. There I will explain how to take capital letters, when we should not take capital letters, that part. So I think the first note is clear. No need to take any program related to this. If you want, I will show you. Don't worry. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Sir, to get clarity, I will take one small program, friends. Please listen carefully. So what is the program I am taking here is, okay, one second. So what is a program I'm taking here is, sir, let us take a new file. So class capital A I'm taking. So inside this public static void main, so string array args, something like this. And here I will print a message saying, okay, so hello Java, something like this I'm printing. Sir, what is the class name that you have to say? A.java, capital A dot Java, I say. My Java program is ready. What is the file name that you have taken? Capital A dot Java. Remember, while compiling the program, sir, I am taking Java C capital A dot Java. Sir, my program compiled fine. While running, I am giving small a. Will it works? Have a look once. What is the
No.
message we are getting? Array, there is one error. Could not find or load main class A. Array, the class main class A is not there. Why? What is the reason? Caused by java dot lang dot no class definition found error. Sir, what is that name? Small a. Array, with name small a, I have not seen any class. Maybe the wrong name, correct name is capital A. Even it is giving suggestions also. Do you know, learning any programming language, you need to start with the fundamental by spending more time with more errors. Whenever you are getting error, immediately you should not call sir. Sir, please rectify this error. Or you should not close the system. You have to read these messages, whatever you are getting, minimum 3 to 4 times. Do you know, while learning a bicycle or bike, sir, you need to fall down at least for 3 to 4 times. Then you will become expert. Directly by sitting, don't expect on smooth way you need to go. Because if you want to get good fruits at very beginning stage, you need to work hard. So if you understand why this error is coming, next time you will make sure that if you don't want to get this error, what we have to do? Then, sir, I am taking Java space capital A. Will it works? Array, happily it is printing. Have you observed? Case is placing a very important role. Where you have to take lowercase letters, where you have to take uppercase letters, is very, 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 very important. Friends, are you clear up to this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. Shall we go for the next case?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, note number 2. Note number 2. Sir, some people are going to ask, Array, why file name and class name, okay, are same. Do we have such type of rule in Java? Do we have such type of rule in Java? No. Sir, just to avoid conflicts and confusion, sir, we must follow this rule, because Java programmers, okay, are following this rule very strictly. So compulsory you have to also follow. If you are not following, what will happen? For that also I will take one program. I am taking one Java program. Let us copy paste this one. Sir, class, I am giving the name of the class as a triple B, and the message is nothing but I am printing hi followed by 3 dots. I am printing by. That's all. What is a class name? Triple B. Sir, while saving, what I will do? I am taking AAA.java. Have you observed? Sir, what is the file name? The file name which I have given is AAA.java. But what is the class name that I have taken? Sir, triple B.
Triple B.
This is the program what I have. Then how to compile? At the time of compilation, is the class name or file name? Which is important? File name. Sir, Java C, I'm seeing this program like a class triple B, something like that. I thought that the name of the file is also triple B. Sorry, boss. Error is there. File not found. The file which you are searching like triple B.java, it is not there in my system. Why? Maybe that is a problem with you. You have not given this name. So okay, I have given the file name as a triple A. Like that, after realization, you need to take AAA.java. Wow, beautiful. The code is compiling. Now I want to execute. I thought that, sir, Java space AAA. Immediately, boss, I can't find our load main class. Oh, again there is a problem with the class. Why? Because what is the class name you have taken? Triple B. Can I take now Java space triple B? Perfect. Have you observed how much confusion we are getting? That's why what is the rule that I kept? Class name and file name, if you take as a same, then this much confusion won't be there. Sir, every time, whether it is a file name or class name, it is a common. To avoid these conflicts only, we have to save our Java file with class name. Is it mandatory? No. But if you follow, then you can avoid the error messages. Friends, are you clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Any doubts? Any
No,
doubts,
sir.
friends? Clear up?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right. Sir,
Hello, sir.
note. Yes.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. You are using
Hmm.
class name capital letters, no, sir?
Hmm.
Uh, you said it is invalid. Now you are using capital letters.
Just
Uh,
good.
oh,
Actually, there is one concept is there named with naming conventions.
okay,
Like
sir.
whatever rule I told, that this rule is also not mandatory. Just for our
Hmm.
convenient purpose, we have taken. Okay,
Hmm.
but there is
Okay,
one
sir.
concept is there called naming conventions. There I will give which name you have to take. There are certain rules are there. 5 rules are there. But
Hmm.
this one just for my convenient purpose I have written. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Then, sir, what is a third note? What is a third note? Sir, third note is, sir, I am taking one simple Java program like class maybe capital A. Sir, I am taking one more class capital B. Sir, I am taking one more class capital C. Inside this class, I will take a public static void main, sir, string array args, and I am printing a message saying system.out.println of a class main function or main method. Like that, I will copy paste for B, I will copy paste for C. Now here what I am doing, C class main method, sir, B class main method. Anyone tell me, is this program is correct? Is this program is correct? Yes, perfect. But what is the problem? How many classes are there?
3 classes.
3 classes.
3 classes.
Which class name you have to take is always a confusion, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose, assume this main is not there. This main is not there. Then which name you will choose? A.java, correct?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
in which class main method is there, that name you have to take. Suppose here for C main method is there, this one is not there. Then you have to save it with C.java. Are you getting the point? Now
Yes.
all these classes are having main method. Sir, any name you can take. There is no problem. Any name you can take. Sir, that means what? You can take either A.java. It is valid. You can take B.java. It is also valid. If you want, you can take C.java. It is also valid. Or you can save with Prakash.java. It is also valid. Array, these many names are there. That's why they have given one more name. If you take any Java file, how many classes should be there in this file? Only one class. Sir, there is one thumb rule is there. In the packages, I will explain. There you will get much clarity. Every Java program should contain how many classes? Sir, how many classes it should contain? Only one class. If you take more than one class also, nothing will happen, but it is not good programming practice. Got it? It is not corporate culture. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now I am saving these with prakash.java. Yes, my program is ready. What is the file name that I have given? Prakash.java. This is nothing but the content. Sir, then how you will compile? Very simple. Java C Prakash.java. How you will execute, sir? Have you observed? So many error messages. Why? What is the problem? Sir, I have given mistake, right? What is a mistake? What is the spelling of print? P-R-I-N-T, right? That T is missing. Correct?
Yes.
Now, Java space. Sir, we can't take Prakash. Can I take A? A class main method. Can I take B? B class main method. Can I take C? C class main method. Sir, can I take A comma B comma C? Have you observed? It is considering that this entire thing is nothing but a single class. Sorry, boss. Sir, can I take A space B space C? Only it is taking the first argument. This and all on the practice only you will get. This and all on the practice only you will get. Sir, everyone got the clarity? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what is the point that we can add? What is the point that we can add? Sir, we can declare multiple classes inside Java program. It is valid, but not recommended to declare like this. So a Java program should contain okay only one class, because this is the universal rule what we have. Sir, which note this one? Note number 3. What is the fourth note? Note number 4. What is the fourth note here is, sir, I have one Java program like this. What I am doing is, sir, Java classes by Prakash. Like this I am taking. First I will take static. Then I will take public. Is it correct? First I will take static. Then I will take public. No problem. You can take. There is no issue at all. Happily, the code is going to compile. There is no mistake. Even the code is going to run. So what is the point here is, public and static are modifiers in Java. Modifiers, which will do some modification. Sir, we can take modifiers in any order. No issues at all. Okay, no issues at all. But recommended to take first access modifiers and other modifiers, like first public and static. Suppose I have private is there, first take private and then static. Like that, first priority should be what? Access modifiers. Sir, clear everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Note number 5. What is the fifth note? Now you have to tell, I am taking static public static only. Sir, can I take main void? Please confirm. With your knowledge, tell me, can I take like this?
No, we cannot take.
No. Because it is rule, right? First we have to take return type followed by function name. Now, if you are trying to run, array, so many error messages. This one is invalid. Okay. So what is the point here? We can't, interchange void and main, because first return type and then method name. This is nothing but rule what we have. Clear, everyone? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is a note number 6? A bit important note. Please listen carefully. Important note. Tell me, sir, here I'm taking in the place of main. I'm taking Prakash. Can I take like this?
No, sir.
No,
First
sir.
of all, my
Because-
question is there any mistake in the program?
Yes, sir. Because main method name is not recommended.
But it
So
is a problem
compiler
with
not.
execution, right? It is a problem with
Yes,
execution. See, assume I told that you need to give some amount to a person. That person is there in 201 room. You went to 201 room. That room is locked. There is some person is there inside that room. So up to this is clear. Is there any mistake in that? No. But if you open the door, or if the opposite person is opening the door, Whether your required person is there in the room or not, that is the secondary case. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes,
So,
sir.
in the same way, Java program, there is no mistake. What Java programmer, watchman is going to always checking ID cards in the college. Whether he is wearing their college ID card or other college's ID card, he won't care. He will check whether a hanging ID card is there in your neck or not. If ID card is there, he will allow you. Whether that ID card belongs to you or is it your ID card, your college ID card, no one is going to verify because of that dignity, or they don't know about subject knowledge. They won't verify. Who is going to verify? That a class teacher or that the head of the department, principal, they are going to identify. That is a secondary level, right? So here also Java program will compile. What is compilation? It will scan the total program array. You have written something, is there any mistake or not? As per my rules, there is no mistake. Now perfectly your Java program is going to compile. But whenever you are giving this to the execution is a bit intelligent. So in the total, how many lines of code you have written, in that it will always search for which method? Main method. Main is there or not? Main is not there. Then immediately what will happen? Have you observed? Read the error. If you read the error, you will get clarity. Sir, error colon main method not found in class test. Can you please define the main method as like this? Then only I can execute. Otherwise, I can't. Understood, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
I
Sir,
will write one statement to understand this. So I hope you can understand these English statements. In the place of name, we can take any name like Prakash. Like Prakash. The program will compile fine without any error. Without any error. Correct, sir? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But during execution of the program, there is one person, intelligent person, JVM. Soon we will talk about that. So in the middle of the OOPS concepts, JVM architecture also I am going to cover. Complete theory, 1 hour theory. So JVM will always search for which method? Main method. Okay. If found, it executes. Sir, if not found, it will throw error saying, what is that error, sir? Main method not found, dot. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
yes, sir.
Now, sir, a bit another example I will take. You have to tell the answer for this. Sir, I am taking one new file. So then the name of the file I am taking something like Rakesh, and I have taken a class called Rakesh. Now tell me, is this program is valid?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
valid. Because if our previous program is valid, this one is also valid, right? But Java space, please be on mute. Java space, Rakesh. Rakesh, what name you have taken?
Rakesh, sir.
Rakesh.
Have you observed? I have not saved with the .java. Yeah. Java C, Rakesh.java. Sir, happily it is compiling. Will it executes? No.
No.
Clear? Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Now, sir, like this, if you go in depth, then you can understand much. Listen carefully. I am taking one file. What is the name of the file I am giving is Anil. Anil.java. Anil.java. Like this I am taking. I have not written any code. Now I am trying to compile Java C Anil.java. Tell me, is the program is going to compile?
Yes, sir.
Yes, there is no problem.
Yes.
Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Perfectly valid. Because what is the duty of the compiler? If you have written any lines, is there any mistake or not? It will check. There is nothing. Now, if I am trying to run Java space Anil, what error you will get? Tell me.
Found main method. Not found main method.
Main method not found. What is the error? What is the
Main
error?
method.
Main method
No
not
class.
found in class.
Yes.
Or
What is the
maybe
class
it is
name?
in class.
What is the class name you will get?
Rakesh.
No, in this program.
No class.
Anil.
But have you defined the Anil class?
No, sir.
No.
No. Have you remembered? Somewhere we have seen one special error. What is that error? Do you remember? Could not find or load main class Anil. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Feeling comfortable up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can I add an empty file is also a valid Java program. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is this note? This note is 6. Let me take note 7. Note 7. Now, sir, I am going to the beginning of the program test. Sir, here I will take main only. But here in the place of ERGS, I am taking Ramakrishna. Can I take?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can take.
Yes,
Because,
sir.
see, integer x. Can I take any name in the place of x?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any name you can take. Just it is a variable declaration for identification. Same here also, right? No problem. You can. Clear, friends? What is the point
sir.
here? We
Yes,
can
sir.
change the name of ARGS with any name. So it is valid. It is valid. Now on the contrast, on the other hand, I am taking one more note. What is that note here is, sir, here I will take ARGS only. Okay, better I will add one more point here. Sir, in the place of string, can I take int?
Yes, sir.
Yes, valid.
I think no, sir. Because
No, it is valid.
written
It is valid. Program compiles fine. But during it will always search for what?
String.
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 Clear? It will always
Yes, sir.
search for which arguments? String
String.
arguments.
String type.
Is there any string arguments?
No.
No.
No string.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Sir, if I sorry.
1 minute. Let me complete that. Now another example. Sir, same like this. I am taking one more method. Now I am taking string. Java classes by Prakash sir, Java classes by Babu sir. Is it valid? First question
Yes,
is
sir.
both are same
Valid,
or
sir.
different?
It
Different.
is
Why?
valid, sir,
Because
but execution
which one will come? First main method or second main method?
second.
First main method.
No, second. Why?
Second.
Because
Sorry, second.
second.
String.
Second. Let me check. Clear, friends?
Yes.
Now, sir, very, very important. Almost we came to the ending. Here, I am taking string arguments here also. Now tell me, is it valid?
No, it is not valid. These are duplicate.
Not valid.
Is it a compilation problem or execution problem?
Compilation problem.
Compilation problem. Because while compiling, I encountered this line. Same line is again repeated, which is important line, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, see, while compilation itself, in which line the problem is coming. This is compilation error. Error main method. Method main is already defined in test class. Again, why you are defining? Like that, in a polite manner, it is telling. Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt up to this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Clear?
Hi, sir. I have a question. So,
Hmm.
why did it take string as a priority when we are passing int arg and string arg, and why not int arg while executing or compiling the code?
See, I already told. Can you come again? What is your question? I didn't understand.
So, when you declared the string dot args and int args, so why did it take string as a priority, not in while compiling the code?
Okay. Simple reason. Assume a class is going on. I am taking the class for 50 students. Immediately one circular came. One attender came with a circular. Now in the class 50 students are there along with one faculty. Total 51 members are there. Can you please tell me for whom this circular they are going to give? For students or the person who is there on the stage? The person who is there on the stage, correct?
Yes, yes.
Because he is the hero of the class. He is taking some seminar. He is taking some lecture. In the same way, in Java also, in the beginning itself, I told, sir, string is a hero in Java. Why? Because anything to string and string to anything easily we can convert. That's why Java has given top priority to string. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah, understood.
Clear, friends?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
So with this, I will stop today's session. Still, there are some 10 to 15 minutes session is there. Tomorrow, I will cover those points like it is related to the commands. And then we will go with a quiz tomorrow, okay? On this topic, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And tomorrow itself, if possible, I will take installation also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sure,
right,
sir.
guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.